and gentlemen, wow, today we have an amazing fruit like this, everyone. So after the sky raining, it have a lot of insert like this, everyone. I don't know clearly and specific about its name. I just know that it is the kind of insect that we can eat, everyone. Wow, a lot of, everyone. It's so amazing, and this is how to get it. Wow. Mm. Wow, a lot of. A lot of. Wow. Everyone, I will take it to cook and show you guys about how ingredient it is too. Hello ladies and gentlemen, everyone. So this is the insert that I caught it last night. Like you can see in the start of my video, yeah, last night I caught it, so now I get it, and then I'm going to fry it on the fire and then eat it too, everyone. So now let me fry it. Then we fry it like this. Fry it until it already cooked. Now it already cooked, but we do not yet eat it because of we will take it too much with some ingredient to be more delicious than this. We take the fly of it to get out like this. These some ingredient that we are going to merge with our insert to be more delicious. So first we put garlic, then this green onion, oil, garlic, cane sugar, amachi, fish sauce, so now we put our insert to cook in second time. First we fry it and then we mix ingredients like you can see, and also we mix ingredients with our insert. Everyone in my channel have a lot of yummy food and also amazing food to eat and to show you guys. So if you think my channel has necessary to you, please help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to admire me for make more video to show you. So now our food is nearly to be cooked. This green onion, we add green onion on it. Add a little chili on it to be more delicious. It's already cooked, so we can eat. It smells so good. It is yummy, wow. Amazing taste. So good. Some people scare on it, but me it is not scare because of I ever ate it since I was a child. Until now it's so yummy. Everyone, so now I think it is time to say goodbye, but before I say goodbye everyone, please help me to subscribe my channel if you think my channel are necessary to you everyone. So now let me say goodbye. Thank you for watching.